Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on Galaxy S23 device. First, you should just select the screen where you want to add the widget, and just to press and hold the free space on your device home screen. After that, you will see here the widgets icon. Just tap here on this icon, and after that you'll see here all the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, the Gmail application has 2 different widgets. The Google Drive has 4 of them. For example, let's use the calendar. Calendar has also 4 different types of the widgets. For example, let's add the month and today's day schedule. So just to add the widget, click here and tap to add. Now we just successfully add this widget to our home screen. If you want to move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. If you want to just to remove this widget from your home screen, you should click, hold and tap to remove icon. Also, let's for example add one more widget here. So let's use the maps one. Here we can see that this is not the widget, that's like the shortcut. For example, just to add this shortcut, click to it and tap to add. Here you should be sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi and other mobile data. And now, for example, you choose the destinations, the name. Okay, let's name it apps destination, for example the Warsaw, and just tap to save. So you should just click to the maps, tap to the got it, using the app, and after that your device will find the best route to the Warsaw. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.